Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
$170 speeding 25 miles per hour with the speed limit. Not paying, because the shit dropped. What this shit say right here? $190, failed the signal. Not fucking paying. So for reckless driving, this don't have no, this don't even have no money on here. But anyways, nope.
Scared, ain't your bitch, nigga? I can smell the bitch in you.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Son CBI. You feel we back at it again with another video for y'all boys. You feel me? As y'all boys can tell by the title and thumbnail, we got all these motherfucking tickets. You feel me? We got 16 tickets that they had wrote us for that incident on when I went to jail. You feel me? And yeah, you feel me? So that's what is on the actual thumbnail, you feel me? Let me go ahead and put my seatbelt on. But anywho, we actually got all 16 of them motherfucking tickets dropped, you feel me? You feel me? The nigga had to pay, I had to pay my attorney a bag, you feel me? But all them 16 tickets y'all see right there, well, that's not even all of them. That's probably like, I want to say like 10 of them. I don't know what the other 6 at, but yeah. I ain't gonna lie. When they kept sending me them tickets like every other day. Like it'll be like 2 tickets this day. It'll be like 1 ticket on a Wednesday, another 2 tickets on a Thursday, a ticket Friday. I'm like, bro, they keep sending all these motherfucking tickets through the mail and stuff. You feel me? But yeah, we just doing a little POV. I just wanted to put that on the title because I was like, shit, they in the house, I might as well use them for something. I also got the backup camera on the back. Not backup camera, but you know, the damn Insta360 camera. I'm tweaking. So y'all can hear how amazing that car sounds. Motherfucking dog. Scared that motherfucking ass. I'm weak as hell. I'm trying to see. I think it's my uncle car over there. Is it? That is his car. The Cam. He got that pro-charged Cam Camaro assist. We supposed to be getting a race in after he get his car right. So let me know who y'all think. It's like a 2013 Camaro assist with a pro charger and a cam. He ain't running full boost on there. But y'all let me know down in the comments who y'all think will win. And stay tuned for that video, you feel me? We're gonna be hitting up the drag strip real soon. I still got to get my drive shaft fixed. I'm waiting on this company to send me the center bearing thing. Basically, you cut the old shit off the drive shaft. You put this little piece on that basically prevents your drive shaft from breaking again. Because with a Hellcat, even if you buy another drive shaft, that bitch gonna be broken in about another year. So with this piece, you should fix it like to where you don't have to worry about that breaking no more. No cap. Tripping. I'm going through Hilltown like this. I know y'all hear them pops. Like that bit burble. I think it burble a lot more with me being catless now too. You feel me? So I'm very happy with that. I'm gonna get a flame kit too, y'all. So keep y'all eyes out for that. Probably in another month is when I'm gonna get it. I gotta get my car right first. I'm gonna have to get some, I'm gonna have to fix this down. Like I said, fit the dryer shaft. After I fix the dryer shaft, I'm gonna change my diff fluid, give me some brakes and rotors, and then we're gonna focus on the extra stuff. It's just that company, when you like doing videos or work with other companies, you gotta give them time for them to tell you how they want you to do the videos and making sure everything works good for each parties. So after they send me the part, I can go ahead and get that taken care of. But that's why I'm be that's why I be driving the car so bitch made now. You feel me? Cause the damn drive shall be hopping sometime. When you got traction control off, it don't do it. But if you got traction control on and you stomp that bitch, it sound like goddamn the Grinch knocking at the goddamn door. No cap. That shit's in the kids on that bus. Empowered. I don't know what the hell that is. That bitch sound good. They go big body TRX hogging both lanes, nigga. That boy got that big body TRX. You feel me? That bit whine, but that bit also roll over nigga car make you whine. Oh God. Oh shit, I hope she ain't see me. Cause I'm not recording her ass. Like, bro, look at, bro, my car so junky, y'all, bro. I gotta clean that bit out. It been too cold. Like right now, bro, I think it's like 18 degrees or some shit like that. No, it ain't that cold. It was like 13 this morning. It done warmed up some. But it's still cold as hell. And my dumb ass got on shorts. Cause I'm fucked up in the head. No doubt. Had to put the camera down cause of the police. Y'all see them niggas, they always creeping around and shit. They don't get their main ass back. And then they wanna kinda get behind me. I'm recording, fuck nigga. So y'all pull me over that bullshit. Nigga, I got all eyes on y'all niggas, no cap. That's why I like having that damn camera on. Ain't no police get behind me and lie on me and try to make me violate my probation. Because nigga, I got video footage. And when I go to court, they gonna be like, do you plead guilty or not guilty? Not guilty, nigga. And I'm not paying for no more lawyers in the year of 2026. No cap. Well, since we had to stop, now y'all, I'm finna show y'all nigga what these tickets say. So this ticket right here say, what that shit say? $370 speeding 25 miles per hour over the speed limit. Not paying, cause the shit dropped. What this shit say right here? $190, fail the signal. Not fucking paying. What this shit say? $190 running red light. Not paying. What this other bit right here say? Let's see. This bit right here say another $370 speeding 25. Nope. Fuck y'all. What this shit right here say? This bit right here say fail the signal 190. Nope. Running a red light 190. Nope. What this right here say? Damn. We gotta flip it over. We gotta flip that bit over. Reckless driving. This don't have no this don't even have no money on here. But anyways, nope. What this right here say? Fail the signal 190. Nope. Damn. 190 expired tag. Nope. 190 no headlights were required. Nope. It's actually 6 more. This not in all of them. But the niggas still ain't finna pay none of this shit. We gonna throw this shit in the back and set it on fire. Next video. Alright, so now y'all, now that we fuck. Alright, y'all, now that we done looking at them main giant tickets that we not gonna pay because we got all them hoes dropped, because you feel me? You gotta pay to get off from the police, you feel me? You can commit certain crimes and you can pay your way out. Now, if you try to pay your way out of a murder, it's not gonna be that easy. So if y'all ever get yourselves into some trouble where y'all goddamn got 16 or some tickets, go pay for your own attorney, because a appointed attorney ain't gonna do shit but make your ass goddamn plead guilty for some shit. Even if you didn't do nothing wrong, they'll try to make your ass plead as if you actually committed a crime when you did it. So, you feel me? I had to do what I had to do. The shit was not cheap, but hey, at least we still get to keep our motherfucking license. And even though y'all seen them tickets, that's still not counting the goddamn, the felony eluding, the reckless endangerment, and the motor vehicle speed motherfucking contest. You feel me? But we got all that stuff squared away, so we good. I'm trying to figure out, I might go another way. Let me go ahead and put my seatbelt on though. I'm still gonna be dropping the video, y'all, explaining the full situation of what happened. I've been supposed to drop it, but I'm gonna actually wait until I get my guns back, because I'm gonna put it in that video where I'm picking up my guns. I should be getting my guns back, I think, like next week, because I gotta take a driving class and turn in my certificate. When I turn my certificate into my attorney, they're gonna make me like a little court order paper, and I can get my Mac 11 and my Draco back, because I ain't had my babies since September. They been putting their filthy paws on my guns, fingering the trigger and shit. Bitch, I'm the only one who fingered that gun, nigga. I don't know what them folks talking about. This road, god damn, this road bumpy as hell. Let me put it in sport mode. I almost knocked my goddamn elbow out of place driving on that goddamn road. Hopefully ain't no police here that, because I think they'll be very, very mad. I would roll the windows down, y'all, but it's just way too cold. But luckily enough, with Hellcats, you can hear the supercharger through the car. So you ain't got to worry about all that. Y'all, I'm also thinking about rewrapping my car for the summer. So y'all can also give me some ideas, like some wrap ideas y'all think I should do. Of course, I want to do something that ain't nobody else done before. The only thing that I do that is like regular, but put my own like touch on, is like a satin black wrap, but do something different with it. Because I think satin black look very good. Like, you can't go wrong with satin black. But I just need to find a way to make it different, so I don't blend in with nobody. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not even driving fast, y'all. I'm just over there bit making noise. Oh, God. Nigga ain't driving fast at all. Nigga just being loud and obnoxious. Loud, obnoxious, and wasting gas. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to cut the camera off. You feel me? Because I'm finna be pulling up back to the house. So if y'all don't mind, make sure y'all boys drop me a like. Make sure y'all comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, all that good stuff. And until next time, y'all, I am out. Peace.